Hey everyone, I'm Dylan, the CEO of Lumona, and today we're going to show you how to set Lumona as your default search engine in desktop Chrome and desktop Firefox. The same process should apply for mobile Chrome, but I think there is some inconsistencies between the two. So if any issues pop up with any of this, feel free to either leave a comment or at me in the Lumona Discord, and we'll get it sorted out, everything else. So it's a pretty simple process. What you'll have to do is go to just like lumona.ai, the normal homepage website. And so what I'm gonna do next is just press this ... and then go to the Chrome settings. And then on this left side here, you're gonna see search engine and manage search engines and site search here. And after visiting Lumona, it shouldn't matter when you visit it or if you have like cookies or anything. It should just pop up here in Inactive Shortcuts. Usually there are a lot of inactive shortcuts here, just on different websites, so you might have to just like Cmd+F or Ctrl+F to look for it. So then you can press this activate here. If you want to see just the site search options to make sure that you have it right, here it is. You can manually enter this, but it will not give you the autocomplete suggestions. Like just doing it by visiting Lumona will work and activating it. But from here now, forgot to make it my default. So after you do that, you'll be able to just type in Lumona and do that. So it's query is working and everything else. There's an optional thing of you can make this a site search if you want. You don't have to make it your default, and you can just use Lumona sometimes for some searches in your address bar. So you would do that by just not making it a default here. Moving on to Firefox, we'll do that. So roughly the same process. I already have Lumona here, but just lumona.ai, the same thing. When you visit it, if you click on here, you'll have to add Lumona and by clicking just the icon on this plus button. So you're adding the search engine here, and then the settings is the same as Chrome. If you search default search engine or just default search, you can change it here. And after that, you should be able to get autocomplete as well as your query coming in. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and once again, if you have any questions, please come to the Lumona Discord or leave a comment on this video, and we'll help. Thank you.